This training video will show you how to create a purchase order in the POSAL Cloud system. First, vendors should be created by going to Back Office, Management, My Vendors. Watch the Create Vendor video to see how to do that. If you enter an email address, you will be able to send purchase orders to your supplier by email. If your supplier has the ability to send and to receive orders through text files, then you should also watch the export file and import file videos. Click Back Office, Inventory, Purchase Orders. Click the Insert button to create a new order. The purchase order function can do adjustments and print shelf labels as well as create purchase orders. Select what you wish to do by clicking the appropriate button. If you select Order as the type, then select the vendor you wish to order from by clicking the arrow on the right of the vendor ID. If you wish to change the order date, click the small calendar icon next to it. Select the way you wish to create the order by clicking on the arrow to the right of Order Plan ID. We will first explain manual orders, so select Manual Order for the first Order Plan ID and click Next. Click the Save button. Select the order that you just created, and click the Change button. Click the Details tab. Two tables will appear on the screen. The table on the left contains the items on this purchase order. The table on the right contains all the items that you can purchase from the vendor you selected. To add items to your order, simply find the item in the vendor table and click the Add button next to it. Depending on your screen resolution, the Inventory Items table may move below the Ordered Items table. Once items are added to the order, you can easily change the quantity, retail price, and margin by typing over it in the table. For more detailed information on the item, click the Change button. You can change the quantity by typing a new value in the box, or you can click the arrows on the right side to change it up or down. If you wish to order items that is not normally purchased from the vendor for this order, then click the All Items button. If you wish to view the sales history for an item to determine how many to order, click the Sales History button. Then click the item that you wish to view the history for. The history for the item highlighted on the order will be shown. You can see the sales for the current year and the previous year. You can also see how many are dedicated, which is those items on order from your customers, and how many you currently have on open orders from your supplier. You can search the order details like any other tab and make changes by clicking the Change or Delete buttons. Click the Save button when done. For automated orders, create the order as explained previously. And select New Automated Order and then click Next. Currently, the only option for auto bill type is Sales History. Others will be added in the future. Click the number of days supply you want to have on hand by moving the slider on the left. Typing in the box on the right, or using the up and down arrows on the right side of the right box. The system automatically downloads promotion pricing for some jurisdictions, currently Alberta and Montana. Others will be added as needed. If you wish to increase your number of days supply for items on promotion, then adjust the vendor promotion days in the same way as days supply. Once the order plan data is entered, click the Next button. If you only wish to see what items you would like to order, but do not create the order, have Reports Only show. Otherwise, click the button to have the new order show. Click the Generate button. A report will be created showing what the system is ordering or would order if you selected Report Only. To see the report, press the Click Here to Download File button. Click the Save button. Reopen the order by clicking the Change button. And review what the system generated by clicking on the Details tab. Receiving and printing options are on the Receiving Information tab. If you wish to email your PO to your supplier, make sure their email address is in the vendor file. Click the Don't Email PO button so it says Email PO. When you click the Print PO button, the system will email your PO to your supplier and give you the option of printing a copy. Once you have received the invoice for your order, you should verify that the pricing and quantities are correct. You can see those items where the cost price has changed by looking at the right column on the Details tab. You can change the retail price in the table, or you can also enter a % margin and it will calculate the retail price, rounding it as requested in the rounding table. When the order is posted, the retail prices will be set to the prices on the order. If the price was changed in the inventory table after the order was created and before it was posted, that price will be overridden by what is now on the purchase order. In the Receiving Information tab, you should also enter discount amount, ship amount, adjustment, vendor order number, and invoice total to balance your invoice. The discrepancy should be 0, but because of tax round-off, it may not be. If it is out by several dollars, then you need to balance the invoice. Make sure all prices, quantities, and case quantities are correct. Once it balances, click the Post Order button to update your pricing and on-hands. If you click Price Labels, one price tag will be created for each item received that is flagged to print price tags. If the retail price has changed, then price tags will be printed for items already in stock as well. Shelf labels will be created for each item that the retail price has changed on. Show cards will be printed for each item on the order that is on promotion. You should print the receiving and category reports for accounting purposes. All of the reports in the system generate a PDF file that you need to click on to download it to your computer. You can view it and print it as desired. After you've printed all information that you wish, change the No button next to I have finished printing all reports to Yes by clicking on it. Click the Save button to update your inventory. This concludes this training session.